Hello, I'm Alex and I'm talking a little bit more about how to connect your Rain Vision System camera with Rain Vision System Analytics. First of all, you need to make sure that your camera is on the same network as the computer you are running analytics on. If there are different network interfaces available and you are not sure if your computer is on the same network interface, you can select one and possibly choose a different network. Currently, I'm working on a laptop which only is connected via Wi-Fi, so there's only one network and only one network interface available. Next step is the image source. You need to select camera as image source. Initially, this drop-down menu is empty, but if you click on it, you will see that there are in fact two cameras in my network. I will select this one. This button, Identify, it will flash white light in the camera you selected over here. It helps you to identify the camera, and if you have plenty of cameras, this is quite helpful, so you know to which one you are talking to. Configure will launch a window and open the web interface of the camera to configure it. I will talk about the configuration of the camera and the web interface of the camera in a different video. Last but not least, you have to set the target folder for all the downloaded images. So in my case, I will just use the default one. In my case, it's set to image sets. Right. Image source, the camera is already highlighted up here. Target folder is highlighted. And you will also get the information about the free space on the storage system of the camera. There's an SD card in the camera, and once it fills up, you will see the free space decreasing. So now you can download images from the camera by pressing File and then Download Images from Camera. It will open the Download Images user interface. It has a Start At drop-down and a Stop At drop-down. It basically will list all the images that are on the camera. Currently there are 73 selected. But if you want to download, for example, in my case, only the first, I'm selecting the same image as at the Start At. Now also the selected images went down to 1, and I could now download this single image. If I check this box, delete from camera after download, the image will be downloaded to the local file system, but then deleted from the camera. Please be sure that you really want to delete it, because there is no way to restore it on the file system of the camera after you deleted it. I'm not selecting this right now. You have the possibility to change the target folder right here. It's usually just set to what you entered when you were setting the image source. Right, so now let's press download. This will open a progress bar and you can see what the status is. If you're familiar with the concept of multispectral imaging, you will know that the ENVI standard, that's the image standard, also the Rain Vision System camera is using, basically means that there are two different files, one HDR file, one header file, which contains information about, well, for example, the timestamp of the image and so on and so on. And then there is a binary file which contains all the data. Last but not least, there is also the possibility to have a pseudo RGB image, but this depends on the settings of your Rain Vision System camera. So that's why it's downloading 3 different files right here. After download, we can look at it. It's available in the folder, and you probably want to download all of your images and then sort them and process them on your system, because downloading them to analyze all the images takes a while and will make your analysis very slow. There's another option now. What you can do now is you can use the camera connection to analyze images on the go. So basically when the camera takes an image now, it will automatically send to the Rain Vision System Analytics and processed with all the settings you set before. I won't show this right here, how this works. This will be part of a second video. Thank you very much.